Good morning. It's great to have your company this Wednesday, the 3rd of February. I'm Jessica Amir, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, overnight in the US and yesterday on the ASX, I guess you could say normalcy returned to markets. What a relief. And funnily enough, economic and company news drove share price growth, and that's how it should be in theory. The S&P 500 up 1.4%, the Nasdaq up 1.6%. Standout stocks in the S&P 500 included pharmaceutical company Waters Corp up about 8% after reporting a 10% jump in fourth quarter earnings, while in the Nasdaq, Workday was a pearler up 9% after announcing it's buying an employee experience monitoring platform. Whereas those specky stocks that have been dominating headlines went the other way. GameStop shares fell 60% overnight, losing half of its value in just 2 days, while AMC Entertainment lost 41%. So Robinhood investors perhaps are realising that earnings drive share price growth, and they've perhaps been investing into companies with high debt and falling earnings and that are operating in shrinking industries. So that's something to think about. What to watch today? Well, broadly, we saw the Aussie share market lift 1.5% yesterday. That was its best gain in 19 days. Today, the market is eyeing a lift of 0.9%. Following Wall Street and that the RBA has pledged to keep rates on hold until 2024 and that it will buy an extra $100 billion in bonds to support the economy. As for reporting season results to watch today, packaging company Amcor reports, as well as BWP Trust, which is the Bunnings landlord. And keep an eye on a small cap called King Island Scheelite, KIS is their ticker, as the government has pledged $10 million to reopen their tungsten mine in a bid to break China's near monopoly on the critical minerals required to build weapons, electric vehicles and fighter jets. And with normalcy returning to markets, gold has lost 1.5%, so expect gold stocks to pull back today. Silver stocks in the limelight again. The silver price is down 9% after CME raised the hurdle to buy silver futures contracts after Reddit punters bought into the commodity. But I guess I encourage you to think about why silver was pushed to 8-year highs before this Reddit pump. Demand for silver has been increasing. Silver is used to buy or to make LED chips, solar energy, nuclear reactors, chips for tracking parcels, semiconductors, touchscreens, water purification, etc. And the main consumers of silver are the US, China and India, as well as Canada. Oil jumped 2.4% overnight. It's now at a year high $54.85 US. So maybe it's time to look at those oil stocks. If you already haven't, keep in mind that Goldman Sachs is expecting the oil price in July to hit $65 US. I'd also today be watching the nickel cobalt company GME Resources. Their shares continue to reverse again after dropping 13% yesterday. So let's see what happens to them today. And on the economic horizon, the RBA Governor Philip Lowe speaks about the year ahead at the National Press Club of Australia, and his speech is at 12:30. You can tune in via the RBA's website. As for trading ideas that could be worth your consideration, firstly, GR Engineering was upgraded by Bell Potter with a $1.45 target after GR increased their revenue targets. And secondly, following Centuria Industrial REITs, CIP is their ticker code, following their results being released yesterday, UBS has maintained CIP as a buy. I guess the highlight of the result to me was that CIP has renewed their leases with Woolworths in New South Wales and with Visy in Warwick Farm. And separately, last but not least, Ava Risk Group, AVA, Southern Cross Media, SXL, and Charter Hall Social Infrastructure REIT, CQE, could be worth a look. They're giving off strong bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. I'm Jessica Rennie with Bell Direct. Stay safe. Happy trading.